Hello and welcome to the Sat Kriya practice. I am so delighted to be able to share this practice with you, and it is one of the most powerful, transformative, and standalone Kundalini practices. And it can be done anytime. It's really great to do first thing in the morning, but know that when you need that balancing of all your chakras and stabilizing, drop into this. And when you need to feel that strength of power, drop into your Sat Kriya. So let me read what's in my book. This is on page 53 of Spiritually Fly, and it says, known as one of the most powerful, transformative, and complete Kriyas within the Kundalini Yoga practice, the Sat Kriya works on all levels of who you are, body, mind, and soul. By stimulating the natural flow of energy throughout, it balances the chakras, massages the internal organs, and strengthens the heart through rhythmic pumping of the navel center. I love this Kriya. Let's get started. Let's begin by starting out with our seated position. Now, in Sat Kriya, what you want to do is actually sit in thunderbolt pose. Hips are resting on your heels, knees are bent, the feet are just simply extending back, meaning the tops of your feet are on the mat. Now, if this is uncomfortable, you can always take a blanket or a pillow, slide that between your hips and your heels. If that's still not working for you, unravel the legs and cross your legs and definitely sit on a pillow or your meditation seat for this. That's your body, meaning your physical body, the lower part. The other part of the body in this Kriya, you're going to take your arms and extend them over your head, interlace your fingers, extend your index fingers, and cross your thumbs. Now, the left thumb is that feminine energy that flows through all of us. The right thumb is the masculine energy that flows through all of us. The yin and the yang, the sun and the moon. So you want to decide which one is working for you on that day. Do you need to feel this sense of feminine, more kind of like moon energy? Or do you need a little bit more fire, a little more heat to amplify your day? So that's when you would cross the right thumb over and extend, right? Again, the index fingers. So the physical body, you're sitting on your heels in thunderbolt, rock pose. The arms are extended over your head. One thumb is crossed over the other, and the index fingers are extended. So that's the physical body. The mantra for this, Sat Nam. Sat Nam. That's all you're going to do. Sat Nam. I'm like actually drawing in because that's the other part of it. When you say Sat, you're drawing the navel point in, you're squeezing right at the base of your perineum, and as you exhale, Nam. Right? So it's not like a jump, right? But it's in and relax. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. And you really want to feel that navel draw in and underneath your rib cage. Sat Nam, the mantra means truth is your identity, right? And as you chant this mantra, you're saying to yourself, Sat Nam, and the truth is my identity. All right, so let's get started. We're going to do this for 3 minutes. And if doing it for 3 minutes feels a little challenging, just start off with 1 minute and then slowly build yourself up. All right? Find your comfortable seat, either in your thunderbolt rock pose. Relax those shoulders. Take a couple of long, deep breaths in and out of your nose. Maybe start to think about those words, those sound currents, Sat Nam, and the meaning behind it. Truth is my identity. I'm going to set my watch, get our timer. Relax the shoulders, extend the arms up and over your head, interlace your fingers. You have the option of crossing the right or left thumb over top. Take a deep breath in, exhale, and begin. Sat Nam, 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 Sat Nam. Relax the shoulders. Keep extending those arms overhead. Your eyes are closed, of course. You're gazing right between your brow, right at your first eye. Sat Nam, 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 Sat Nam. Lift your chest. Sat Nam, 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 Sat Nam. You've got this. Sat Nam, Sat Nam. Stay with it. Sat Nam, 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 Sat Nam. Inhale. Hold the breath. Extend those index fingers all the way up. Bring your awareness to the crown of your head. Feel that energy rise from the base of your spine all the way up. Keep holding. And exhale, release. Relax the arms. Just allow yourself to be in stillness. Breathe easy. Observe. Notice. Just feel that powerful vibration of the mantra Sat Nam, truth is your identity, move through you. Feel the balancing of your energy, your chakra energy, from the base of the spine, from the fluidity below your navel, from the power above your navel, from the openness of your heart, the truth and clarity within your throat, the divine intuition of your first eye, and the radiance that flows from your crown. Truth is your identity. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Bring the palms together. And have an amazing day. Sat Nam.